Fans are in fine voice for this exhibition game. Although it's not a competitive fixture, both teams will still want to win.
And we're off. This should be an entertaining game.
Confident pass. Lovely bit of skill there. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Let's see what comes of this then.
Aimed towards a penalty spot. The shot well blocked there.
And it's Ronaldo. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player.
Great patience here.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally so accurate with his distribution. It's Messi with the ball.
Keeper collects that one.
Volleyed on. Now Ramos.
Now it's Griezmann. As a dig, goalkeeper's ball. Well taken.
Oh, well intercepted. Good, clean challenge.
Alisson collects.
Keeper gets the game going. Oh, quality defending there. It's Messi with the ball.
Not a good decision there. This could cost his team.
Here's Van Dijk. Pass down the wings. They've taken it down the wing. Here's Mane. Here's Van Dijk.
The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside.
Simply no messing about there. Clean finish. And here's the build-up to that great goal.
The favourites have struck first. Will the floodgates open now? Referee checks his watch and he blows for half-time.
They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. 1-0 then at half-time, a slim lead. It's all to play for in the second half, though.
It's back with the goalkeeper.
The goalkeeper plays it to his teammate. Chiellini has the ball. Ramos clears.
He's got the goal in his sights. And that was close. Not much in it there at all.
He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Good ball.
And he's given possession away in a dangerous place.
That one has gone out of play.
Iya.
No players gone into the book yet.
The keeper plays it short there.
He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. Well, after that injury, they're making a change.
Easy for the goalkeeper there. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
Now Ramos. Passing with confidence.
Oh, shocking challenge.
Finds his teammate.
Passed well. And it's cleared by Varane.
intercepted. The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick. Oh, whipped in with pace.
Oh, fantastic block. Oh, it's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant.
Oke. Itu peluang.
Can he finish it? He got a good hand behind that.
Oke deh, sudah ping.
The replay will give us a closer look.
Iya. Oke deh, sudah ping.
Alisson, fantastic stop.
Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look.
The ball is swung into the danger area.
Now, this could be costly.
The fourth official has indicated 5 minutes of stoppage time. He's headed the ball forward. Definite offside there, no question at all. Headed on.
The referee blows his whistle then, and it's over.
Glass half empty in a house with a mirror in it. Tell me what you see.